Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jala Meghalaya bat Assam, Kalapanlong ya ka Jingjia ban ya kren ya perkhat ya ka Jingjia hadin ka Jingjia hanongba Shillong ha ka khat khandai trik ubanai nairar ar hajara punrio ya ka Jingjia lapanlong ha koina dhara State Gas House ha ka arpu ar trik ubanai nailar. Ya kini ka Jingjia layalam da usumbut Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya uba Sniawbhalang dhar bat Menteri Katanat Border Protection and Development ka Jala Assam u Atul Bora. Ha kabalawan banish benta da ki he officer jong buru artli ki Sorkar Jala. Hadin ka Jingjia kren ka babanya kabalane palat lai kenta. Na kalyang ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala pentip bakala rai bat pentikna bakan le da kabating ya kitu ki badon kti bat lakem mi ki Nongialam ka KSU ka Sorkar kala Pynngat ha kaan Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act. Kala pentip ru ba ha kabayadei bat ki mukot duma ba haduk menta la register haduk khat santli ki FIR. Syuk-syuk ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala shimru ya ki wei ki rai ban penteri kam ya ki mat khnang ban wanra ka jingsuk na kabenta bro artli ki jilla.
A very, very good evening to all the media friends, both from Assam side and also from Meghalaya side. So, a joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today at the second August at Konedara State Gas House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by the Honorable Deputy Minister Tylli from Meghalaya SDR and the Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Atul Bora and was attended by the senior officer of both state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the KSU leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 marks persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of stranded vehicles. Most of the stranded travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier helped on in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including the Lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. Dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating stranded individuals. WhatsApp number is 9+91 8101488 and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees. A permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising Deputy Commissioners Nongialam and Deputy Commissioner Kamru Metropolitans, along with the police officer of the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. You know very well has been done by the screen, so I'm very thankful to our police team, and we have acted very promptly, and even the involved leader has been arrested. And also today, after the third bed discussion, so we have formed a special investigative team, so to identify all the mistakes who are involved in this incident.
Well, I have
Our police has arrested those leader. Who told you that action? Our government is very prompt action. The same hour, not even after the incident, immediately, I think within 2 hours, we have arrested them.
why was
Only and we'll be able to know after when the SIT's reports come.
so now the most
Thing to bring normalcy, you know very well, and it's my request personally, both Assam and Meghalaya, we are like a brother and sister. Especially the two cities, the two states, we are living like a brother and sister. Yes, maybe there is some lapses, there is some here and there, but whatever may be, our duty as a government, we work very hard and we work very unitedly under the advice of both the chief minister, and that is the purpose of this meeting, to bring normalcy. So we request you also, and I request the people of Meghalaya, the people of Assam, let us be cool and calm, so that normalcy will return back in few hours. Assign this thing to our chief secretary, he will examine the matter, we will compensate it as per law. And for the people who are those injured, we will contribute to them. After I have read even the joint statement, after the decision of the meeting of the outcome today, hopefully I think in a very short time, so under the advice of the chief minister and all our officials from both the government, I think normalcy should return back very soon. I'm very confident in you all and both people of the state, so I think there will be no more controversy or controversial. Let us hope for a positive. I request. Yeah. So if necessary, anytime you may meet me and sir, and maybe both the chief minister, we are coordinating every hour in order to maintain the normalcy in both the states.
and this happens.
Incident one, the other incident, this incident is different. We take very seriously about this incident. That's why we came from Shillong. So today we had got a very good meeting, very positive meeting. So hopefully it shouldn't happen anymore.
I have a last question. The demand of the KSU, Khasi Student Union.
Doesn't mean the matter accordingly.
Thank you so much.
Menengkau na budaya baru di alam chief minister di baru chief minister di Assam, baru chief minister di Malaysia berarti sama chief kiai di isu. Nama baru ini don ini Jingjia ba bangsa tenar atau dunia apa sih berada. Nila chief kiai pun sorkar nama ba min sokwa min sulah penting di dunia posisi sorkar kampan pengguna abang di dan di bawah. Nilai mana di sini dekat dengan chief secretary, bagi principal secretary home, bagi komisaris secretary governor, dan lain di bangsa. Hadir lain kita kita ini yang bagi kerja bagi government of Assam, government India, berkau supplement bah, habukut kajian dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kalau itu kan tu bagi bagi hanya berkat anda yang aku di situ dengan pembangunan yang berserta ini. Dan kan tu bagi bagi dengan dia tu và đơn các cơ quan đi ra là kèm cả những hoạt động gì đơn bắt các cơ quan đi dengan apa yang memang harus ayu nak lihat di social media lah ban kedua juga army sorkar ban min persiang ni ban rakyat kesukasan kumbujuan kalau isu tu kelak bandon di mungkin các cơ quan yang berlai sanksi yang di isu tu ini kita continue kan semsutom anu kabang anu kadi anu kini nama anu problem. And hadir juga discussion untuk mulai kita dari government official from Assam, dari government official from state Tylli, bila positive suku berapa min persang galing sokar min kinok na mali sakma beso benjia ini simpot balada hot bu ini question ba kumu bila ini ba ingol itu turu ande polis juga tolong tahi idang under process under the job na mo inu pergi itu ba ikam ngani na persen berapa na galing itu polis gani ko tim Disa contoh ini, don di biru kita pundu kuning step balai bio bang bio ini ke bang di sana so landing setelah bang yang bawa some very positive positive discussion community ba JK baroi kinang gubeng dia naburo kecil pa lagi pundu bastit kami berkunjung ya barok di Sniawbhalang tahun belum dipajajai hindi manong kasakit dan galo-galo isu hande la man sokar kejingkang kapli nani sakma iketiur dan galo-galo badon sahun hande once month ago ini kan hakle pun sudah kanda kani gini kan ini sih sekali maka minggu sudah kali aku mungkin more or less kalau try keken dulu kemudian twin hadin skat menentahi kalau normal sih kan tumujuloi aja kebankan semua. A joint committee comprising the Commission on Security Level Transport Authorities of both the states, along with the representative of the tourist vehicle associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Wadi through Meghalaya, and similarly, necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other parts of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.